Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Lintech. And since padami na ng padami yung mga Pinoy na gusto mag-vlog, gumawa ko ng compilation of vlogging sound effects na usually ginagamit rin ng Pinoy vloggers. Na-test ko na rin yung mga sound effects na to and hindi naman sila mga copyright, so don't worry. Usually kasi kapag less than 3 seconds lang naman yung clip, hindi na yung kinaka-copyright ni YouTube. Okay guys, kung may request kayo ng video, may question kayo, or gusto nyo magpa-shoutout, iwan nyo lang ko ng message sa comment section below. And as always, if nakatulong sa inyo yung video na to, please click subscribe. Salamat mga tol, and good luck sa inyong vlog!
A few inches later, a few moments later, eventually, meanwhile, one eternity later.